Cooking chicken breast is a simple and versatile process. Here's a basic method for cooking chicken breast. Ingredients: boneless, skinless chicken breasts, olive oil or vegetable oil, salt and pepper, or your preferred seasoning. Instructions: prepare the chicken breast. Start by rinsing the chicken breast under cold water and patting them dry with paper towels. You can also trim any excess fat if desired. Season the chicken. Drizzle a little olive oil over the chicken breast and rub it to coat them evenly. Then, season the chicken with salt, pepper, and any other desired herbs or spices. You can use a ready-made seasoning blend or customize it to your taste. Preheat the pan. Heat a non-stick skillet or frying pan over medium-high heat. You can also use a grill or grill pan for a slightly different flavor. Cooking the chicken breast. Once the pan is hot, add the chicken breasts. Cook for about 6-7 minutes on each side, or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 75 degrees Celsius. You can use a meat thermometer to check the temperature at the thickest part of the chicken breast to ensure it's fully cooked. Resting the chicken. After cooking, remove the chicken from the heat and let it rest for a couple of minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, keeping the chicken moist and tender. Slicing and serving. Once rested, you can slice the chicken breast or serve it whole, depending on your preference. It's ready to be served with your choice of sides, such as steamed vegetables, salad, rice, or mashed potatoes. Remember, cooking times may vary depending on the thickness of the chicken breast. Thicker pieces might require a bit more time, while thinner ones will cook faster. Always make sure the chicken is fully cooked before serving to ensure it's safe to eat. Enjoy your deliciously cooked chicken breast.